Hello family, I'm Mehera. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Lead. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. This video is a tribute to all our teachers. We all love Teachers Day because one time we all are students and we love to pay our gratitude towards our teachers because whatever we are today is only because of them. Yes, in this video I would like to tell you three things. What is the speciality of Teachers Day? What is the role of a teacher? The main role of a language teacher. These three things I would like to focus. Okay, the first thing. Today we celebrate Radha Krishnan's birthday as Teachers Day, right? And the second thing is, on this particular day, we remember many great people like Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The best teacher and student relation is reflected through them. Just like that, if you really have at least one guru in your life, you are really blessed. What I feel is that is the blessing by God. Because Guru is nothing but Gu is the darkness and Ru is trying to make you aware of the darkness and bringing you to the enlightenment. That is spirituality. That is what is the significance of the term Guru. The role of a teacher is to enable you to know your capacity and enable you to reach your goals. According to me, these Teachers' Day wishes can be attributed to everything and everyone. Because when I was in second class, I guess, I'll tell you a small example. I was traveling and I have seen a tree standing. Then I expressed my mom that, Mom, see, the tree is standing even in the hot sun as well as if it in the heavy rain. Then my mom laughed and said, just imagine what could be about our Mother Earth. It is bearing the whole universe, it's enduring everything with a lot of patience, and as is the reflection of the patience of a lady. That day I realized that yes, everything will teach you if you have the perception to take it. I would like to focus on one more thing. Every time I observe, whenever a Teachers' Day comes, all my students showers great love and respect. But what about the other days? We compare our earth with Mother. But what we do, we spit on it. We behave in whatever way we like, but not with the utmost respect. Is that the way you treat? When we really feel it is sacred, you have to treat in the same manner all the time, not only on one particular day, not only on the environmental day, not only on the Teachers' Day, not only on the Mother's Day. 24/7, you have to treat them in the same manner. Are we really doing that? Water has the power to bring the unconscious into conscious. Yes, we say water is so sacred, but we simply dump all the garbage into the rivers, into the perennial flow of the rivers. We are dumping all the garbage. So we are not paying the utmost respect to it all the time. What I would like to tell you is the importance of a teacher can be reflected in your whole behavior. For example, if he is a doctor or something, if his behavior is not proper, then the question that comes into our mind is, what does his education teach him? Isn't it? So our education must always give us values. Value-based education is more important than the bookish knowledge. We are guided by our teachers. That can be inculcated by our teachers. So that is the role of a teacher. Now, the third thing I told you, the importance of a language teacher. Every physical science teacher that yes, everything is physics, or biological science teacher feels everything is biology, as is with the other teachers. But all the concepts can be comprehended by the students only with the help of a language teacher. So, a language teacher must imbibe all these. That is the essence of a language. So, the language teacher enables you to comprehend all the subjects because everything is written, it could be physics or maths or anything. It is written in English or in your mother tongue. It is the role of a language teacher to imbibe you and develop your totality with the subject. Yes? So, that is the essence of a language teacher. Only language teacher has the privilege to speak about anything in this world. So, the language teacher, according to me, makes your world better. Imbibing moral stories into your curriculum. All these are the responsibilities of a language teacher. To me, teaching profession is the greatest of all. Why? Because in any other field, they have only 1, 2 or 3 children. But in the teaching profession, we have thousands and lakhs of children, right? So that is the privilege. Doctor's field is also a divine field. But if once the lifespan is over, no one can help you. But whereas in the teaching field, you can change the direction, the way by molding and giving motivation to the students. So that is how I feel this profession is really blissful, and whoever are the teachers are really blessed. Okay, whatever you want to achieve, even you wanted to become a doctor, teacher, lawyer or anything, you ought to take the help of a teacher. So this is a salute to all the teachers who are sincere, honest, trying to change the children's mindset, understanding them with love. We can expect a better society and better world only through good teachers and good students. That's what Abdul Kalam even felt. So I just wanted you to understand 3 things. Always, love must be in both words as well as in your actions. Show your love and respect towards your teachers through your behavior. That's what gives them immense pleasure and joy. Okay, and teachers, try to love your students. I know how we have to tackle, because my profession is also teaching. I know we have to tackle many things. Yet, maintain some love towards them. Try to understand and explain everything from their point of view. The actual meaning of Guru is who dispels your inner darkness and throws light on your soul. That is, who enables you to realize yourself, your own soul, your enlightenment. This video is a tribute to all such gurus. If you really have a wonderful guru, try to wish them on this Teachers' Day and spread smiles. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share.